Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the guidance volume on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the map guidance volume is too loud or too quiet, you can change the volume in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how to change the guidance volume on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment screen. In the settings, tap Navigation. In the navigation settings, tap Guidance Settings. At the top of the guidance settings, you can see Guidance Volume. Use the plus and minus arrows or drag the slider to increase or decrease the guidance volume. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.